Hi everyone, welcome to Exam Drill 360. SSC CGL exam has already started and I hope those of you who already appeared have done well. Today we are starting a daily mock practice session for general awareness which will be helpful not just for CGL but also for CHSL and other exams. In this session we will go through some important questions from the complete general awareness section. So let's begin our mock right away. Question number 1. Who was the President of the Constituent Assembly of India? Correct answer is Rajendra Prasad. Question number 2. The famous Gilgit manuscripts are related to which field? Correct answer is History and Literature. Question number 3. The term bull and bear is commonly used in relation to which market? Correct answer is Stock market. Question number 4. The directive principles aim to establish which kind of state in India? Correct answer is welfare state. Question number 5. Chipko movement in 1973 was primarily aimed at what? Correct answer is forest conservation. Question number 6. Who among the following rulers introduced the Mansabdari system? Option A Akbar, option B Sher Shah Suri, option C Jahangir, option D Babur. Correct answer is Akbar. Question number 7. The Khajuraho temples were built by which dynasty? Correct answer is Chandela. Question number 8. Which was the first Indian state formed on a linguistic basis in 1953? Correct answer is Andhra Pradesh. Question number 9. Which 5-year plan is also known as the Gadgil Yojana? Correct answer is third 5-year plan. Question number 10. Blue revolution in India is related to what? Correct answer is fisheries. Question number 11. Who was the first Governor General of Independent India? Correct answer is Lord Mountbatten. Question number 12. In which year did India sign the Rio Declaration on Environment and Development Earth Summit? Correct answer is 1992. Question number 13. Which Indian state has the largest coal reserves? Correct answer is Jharkhand. Question number 14. Laffer curve in economics shows the relationship between whom? Correct answer is tax rates and tax revenue. Question number 15. The ancient University of Nalanda was destroyed by whom? Correct answer is Bakhtiyar Khilji. Question number 16. Which fundamental right was removed from the Indian Constitution by the 44th Amendment Act in 1978? Correct answer is right to property. Question number 17. The preamble of the Indian Constitution was inspired by the Constitution of which country? Correct answer is United States of America. Question number 18. Who was the founder of the Gupta dynasty? Correct answer is Sri Gupta. Question number 19. Which was the first biosphere reserve of India to be included in UNESCO World Network of Biosphere Reserves in 2000? Correct answer is Nilgiri. Question number 20. The shadow cabinet system is followed in which country? Correct answer is UK. Question number 21. Who was the first Indian judge at the International Court of Justice? Correct answer is B.N. Rao. Question number 22. The famous economic theory Invisible Hand was given by whom? Correct answer is Adam Smith. Question number 23. Which river is called the Dakshin Ganga? Correct answer is Godavari. Question number 24. The Indian missile Agni 5 is officially classified as what? Correct answer is Intermediate Range Ballistic Missile. Question number 25. Who was the first Indian woman to preside over the United Nations General Assembly? Correct answer is Vijayalakshmi Pandit. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Wish you all the very best for your exams. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay connected with regular practice sessions for all competitive exams. Let's continue this journey of smart preparation together. Thank you once again for your support. See you in the next video.